Assalamu alaikum everyone. Be happy and keep others happy. Today I'm gonna make a pizza. I'm not that good at it yet. I'm actually learning, but when I'll be fully learned, I will know how to make a pizza. Then I will for our friends and family. And here's the dough. I didn't make the dough, but I made this mixture, like just a little bit, not all of it. And I'll make the rest of the pizza by myself and I'll share with you all. Here is the fruit chat and the dough is ready. And here is the soup cooking. And now we're gonna put the sauce on the pizza. Everyone loves pizzas. They are delicious. And now we're gonna spread it around the pizza. This recipe is so easy and super delicious. After I spread the sauce, we're gonna put the chicken on it. And everybody loves it. And it's amazing. I love to cook. And now we're gonna put the chicken. We're making this for the kids. That's why we're gonna put a chicken. Yeah, cause it's you have your own choice. You can put anything you want, like spicy stuff or whatever you want. Now we're gonna put some potatoes. And this recipe is delicious. I hope you like it. And now we're gonna put cheese. And we're gonna put lots of cheese because everybody loves cheese. Who doesn't love cheese? And after we put all of the cheese, we're gonna put it in the oven. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. Very excited. It'll take 5 or 6 minutes to bake. The pizza's ready. And now we're gonna slice it. And it's ready to be eaten. Alaikum, I'm Timur. दादा मुझे मम्मी ने दादे and then be happy and keep others happy. So today we're gonna make tomato pizza sauce. So first you need to cut onion, and garlic. And you need to cut 4 tomatoes and boil them. फिर जब ये सारे कट जाएं तब आपको पैन के अंदर डालना है. पूरा ब्राउन नहीं करना, बस थोड़ा सा फ्राई करना है. Here, it's ready now. Now I have to just sprinkle this. The onions are ready. Now I have to put salt, zira powder, and this is the onion and the garlic that we did fry earlier. And here's the tomato sauce is ready. Now we're gonna pour it in. इसमें थोड़ा सा टेस्ट डालने के लिए हम लोग केचप डालेंगे.
Now we're gonna mix it. Now we're gonna mix it. It feels weird. Okay, now this is ready. You can put it in a jar, and you can use this pizza for this. You can use this sauce for the pizza, and tell me how it tastes.